Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I just wanted to hop on here and talk a little bit about some skincare products that I've been using since being home, which New Jersey actually just lifted their stay-at-home order yesterday. I've only been a few places like the grocery store in the past few months, but besides that I haven't really gone anywhere. So being home all this time, I have really paid attention to my skincare routine and tried some new products. And to be honest with you, my skin is feeling better than it has in a long time. I have tried to keep a fresh face for as much as possible, but I mean, I still want to feel human and wake up and put some makeup on in the morning. But anyway, so today I kept a fresh face for this video because I am in fact talking about skincare, and I feel like it would be real messed up if I told you about how great these skincare products were and then still had a face full of makeup on. So that is why today I'm keeping a fresh face, and I just wanted to share some skincare products with you from Good Molecules. So I had a few products sent to me from Good Molecules and Beautylish. If you don't know what Beautylish is, it is a retailer that you can find online with some beauty products. And Good Molecules is a skincare brand that is very affordable. I know in my personal opinion, when I go to purchase skincare products, price is a very big factor, which it really shouldn't be, because I think everybody deserves to feel good in their own skin, and don't necessarily think it's fair when a skincare product is like $100+ for a bottle that is like this big. I don't think that's necessary or fair. So I wanted to share a few products with you that are from Good Molecules that are totally within price range. Some of their products start as low as $6. So this is the first time I've tried products from them, and I'm very impressed. I've been using them for a few weeks now, and my skin just feels fresh. It feels bright. I have really red skin, and I feel like I can't really tell here, but I feel like it doesn't look as red as it normally does. I also have very sensitive skin, and this has not bothered my skin at all, which is a huge plus for me. So I figured that these products are totally shareable. So before I begin, Good Molecules does have products for a wide range of skin concerns. My particular skin concerns were dryness and redness. So these products that I'm about to show you will be for dry skin, sensitive skin, and red skin. But if you have oily skin, or if you have dull skin, whatever your skin concerns may be, check out the different products from Good Molecules, because they really have products for all kinds of different concerns. So one thing about these products are they don't have pretty names. I know sometimes I'll go to a store and pick up a cleanser or moisturizer, and it'll be like Lily Super Fresh Fabulous Cleanser, Moisturizer, whatever. The names of these products actually have some of the ingredients in the name. So you may want to do some research before you pick up a product, or even read the box or bottle before you purchase a product. I am the type of person to always do research before picking out products, so I highly recommend. And before I start sharing these products, please forgive me if I say any of the names wrong, because some of them have really complicated names, like this one. So first is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. It is just a toner, if you can see here. Let's see. There we go. So it is just a toner. I use this first in the skincare routine of my Good Molecules products. I always see this meme floating around that says, no matter how clean you think your face is, toner is there to humble you. And it is so true. I can cleanse my face and do a whole skincare routine, but then if I take toner and I run it over my face, I'll still get dirt up. So this is really great. You put it onto a cotton pad and you just wipe your face with it. It's very gentle. I use it for daily use. I use it before I put on the oils and moisturizers. I just have so many good things to say about this. It does not have any fragrance or scent to it at all, so if you find that your skin gets irritated from that, this is a good toner to try out. And believe it or not, this is only $14, and there's a lot in here. And the way that the bottle is set up here is the cap, so if you go to put it on a cotton pad, it's not going to come all pouring out at once. So like I said, this is gentle enough for everyday use. It is great for sensitive skin. It hasn't dried my skin out at all. I really recommend this. So the next product is the Super Peptide Serum, which is this here. I apply this 1 drop of it in the morning and at night. I use it after the toner and before the other oil and moisturizer. So this is a good product to target fine lines and wrinkles. Granted, I am still in my 20s, so I don't have those problems yet, but I feel like it is never too early to try and prevent those problems. So this I highly recommend. Like I said, only 1 drop and that's it. There is quite a lot in here. And it was only $12. I've seen other brands with products this size that are like $50+, which I think is so unnecessary. So $12 targets fine lines and wrinkles. Highly recommend this. It is good for after your toner and before your other oils and moisturizers. You can even use this skincare routine before your makeup, so it's totally up to you. So this next product is great for if you have dry skin like I do, and it is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. If it focuses, all you have to do is take a few drops of this, warm it in your palms, and then press it into your face, and it hydrates your face. Again, this does look like a small bottle, but it is worth it because you're only dropping a few drops in your hands, so it will last a while, and it is only $10. So super affordable. It is great for, like I said, your dry skin. You use this either as the last step in your routine or right before moisturizer. There are sets that you can get these products all together in, so definitely check out Beautylicious website or Gamalku's website and see maybe if there's a couple of products in a set that you're interested in. So make sure this one's in it if you have dry skin. One thing I want to mention before I move on is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil is technically meant as a PM oil. You'll notice that on a lot of these bottles it'll say AM and PM on it. You can probably can't see it here. No, but anyway. So it does say AM, PM on a lot of these, but this one does in fact just say PM. I have only been using this at night, so keep that in mind when doing your skincare routine, to only use that one at night. Lastly is a silicone-free priming moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It doesn't leave my face feeling oily, which is saying something because I do have dry skin, and when I use it like your typical moisturizer, my skin ends up very oily and just looks greasy and doesn't feel great, which when you're doing a skincare routine, you should feel fresh and just great afterwards, and a lot of moisturizers don't leave me feeling that way. This, however, does, and you don't need a lot of it when you go to apply it. The nozzle won't even spit out a lot at a time, which is great. So I highly recommend this. This is for AM, PM, the last step in your skincare routine. You can use this under makeup, or you can use it as is. If you are going to use it underneath a sunscreen, make sure you let this dry before applying the sunscreen. But this does refresh your face. It makes it feel hydrated, moisturized without leaving a greasy, oily residue, which is huge, huge, huge for me. And this bottle is only $14 and it will last you a long time. I have been using it for like 2-3 weeks by now, and I've barely made a dent in it. So altogether, these 4 products would probably come out to about $50, maybe a bit less, which is really great because when you go to the store, oftentimes you'll see one product for $50. They do have sets of a bunch of different products, so depending on your skincare concerns or what you want these products to do, you may want to check out those sets. So these products work for a number of different issues: acne, dryness, redness, hyperpigmentation, and like I said, if you have sensitive skin, these products will work great for you because I too have sensitive skin, haven't had any issues at all. I typically don't have an acne issue. I'll get a little breakout here or there, but I do have a redness and texture issue, and these products have helped immensely with that. So if you're very conscious about the ingredients that are put into your skincare products and you are very conscious about the price, I highly recommend Good Molecules. They are so affordable and work great, so I definitely recommend checking it out. I will be sure to leave a link to a page where you can purchase Good Molecules products from Beautylish in the description down below. There will also be a link to check them out on my blog as well at unbreakablebliss.com. And as always, if there are any skincare or makeup products that you would like to know more about, please let me know and I'd be more than happy to check them out and let you know what I think of them. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post. Check out my blog at unbreakablebliss.com and follow me on social media at BreeCutter. And until next time, see you guys.